persistence pays off.
Boy, the geez. Frozen mud in there. Not rust. Just dried up salt and largely water, I think. Put some oil or grease or something.
Simple as my mama said when I was very young. She told me not to worry, son, one day you'll be someone. But here I am at 21, as loaded as a stagecoach shotgun. I'm sorry.
Hey, good evening. Troy and I are headed in to help Kevin. He's got his machine, it's dead in here on the trail somewhere. We're over by Griffith. We've got about 10 clicks to go in the trail. And yeah, we just got all loaded up in the parking lot and everything. It's what, maybe minus 10 or minus 15 Celsius. It's snowing a bit today. It's a beautiful day. It should be a good little adventure. We're gonna go get that sled, load it on the little trailer, and haul it on out of here. See you guys in a minute. Oh yeah. So yeah, this has been a day of difficult struggle, but we're gonna get through it. All right, there it is.
Sometimes you gotta cry too.
Yeah, the urge to cry has not been insignificant today.
Oh no, I hear you. It happens. Nothing wrong with a good cry every once in a while.
Okay, I think we're nearly there. We found the camera we didn't think we had, so that should look better now, I hope. Anyway, we got to the machine. We're getting ourselves rigged up here. Going to plug in the battery for the winch. Using the eco-worthy again tonight. There we go. Set that on the ground out of the way. We're just going to have to tie a bow on because amongst all the other screw ups in the day, I forgot to bring a soft shackle. So, tie a little bow on. Whoops. Oh, the struggle is real. Okay, there we go. There. Yeah. Let's see if we can't get this beast on there. Always gotta break the skis free on something. We're gonna try and move it. There we go. Look at that. That's much better. Well, that big winch is the right tool for this, eh?
Like nothing.
Not even the tiniest little grunt. Oh, I hope the struggliness of this day comes to me. That's not going anywhere at the speeds we're traveling at. Now, maybe one more. That's really two. Oh yeah, we only had two straps out. Maybe one more on these flanks, do you think? Doesn't seem like they can really go anywhere either.
I personally can't see them really moving. The trail's pretty smooth, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Not like you're vibrating, bouncing.
Well, there we go. Now we just got to take it out and get her unloaded. Oh, we got to get turned around here too without getting stuck. Alright, well, we got everything all loaded up. I am gonna get turned around here in a minute. Troy's gonna pop the drone up. We'll see if we get a cool night video shot. And then we're gonna head home. Oh yeah. Hopefully this is another success story in spite of adversity. Oh yeah. I'm gonna go down here and turn around. Looks like there's a nice flat spot down here. Maybe just hold it straight. Maybe wiggle them a little bit actually as we roll here. Perfect. Yeah. Handy, the front of this one open.
Yeah.
I was thinking we were going to be struggling harder than this.
Yeah, I was thinking about when you guys left. I'm like, yeah, this might make it easier.
finish the front of her there. All right. Well, there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Thanks for watching, everybody. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this. Maybe check out another one of our videos. We got some good playlists. Check those out too. All right. See you guys.